kicking y'all? Kwikpanik here, and I'm back in gear, don't you have no fear. Today's episode is Pokemon flavored, and I'm riding a high from the Cosmic Eclipse box that I opened on Sunday. So if you want to check that out, I got 2 hyper rares in one box. The link's down in the description. Check that out. Today, we're going to open up 2 things. Firstly, there's this brand new Pikachu Eevee box that was released on November 1st. So you're seeing this a little bit late. I picked it up on time, but blah, 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 recording schedule. Also, they restocked the Hidden Fates tin. So we're going to start with the Pikachu GX Eevee GX box. And there's a new giant Pikachu card. There's something wrong with this Eevee. So we're going to tear into this. There's 4 booster packs. I think one of mine got knocked loose. I hope it's in there. We're going to find out. And then we'll end the video with Hidden Fates. I've learned to love again. I'm ready to try for the Zard again, the Shining Zard. I don't think the tins treated me too terribly. Maybe they treated me terribly. Something treated me really badly, and something else didn't. Oh, there it is. There's the missing pack over there hiding in the corner. This was the only one at my GameStop left when I got there. Look, this is how you... See, this is really cool that they have this plastic thing in the back holding them in, because when you have the prongs, it damages the cards, like you saw in my Alolan Marowak video. So, pull this out. Oh, it still has the prongs a little bit. So there's the Eevee that we got, with Tyrogue, Rhyhorn, and Chitot. I really like Eevee's eyes in this one. That one looks really nice. And then... that pops out a lot easier. This is a full art Eevee, and I just want to know why. Why this face? Oh, okay, we're putting that over to the side. Let's talk about that another day. Tell me what you think of the new Eevee art. This is Pikachu rocking with a Donphan and a Hoppip. I love Gen 2, so this is a really cool card for me. And I like Pikachu's face. He's so determined. And then we get a GX. For some reason, Pikachu wasn't full art. He's just like a regular GX holographic. Probably because he also got the big card. Nothing special about that one. So we'll toss that to the... okay, I'll just hit everything. Toss that to the side. Here is the giant card we got. Like I said, the art's okay. Add that to my giant card collection. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do with these. Oh, it's a Cosmic Eclipse that was hiding. So we got Unified Minds. So we got another shot at the full art Darkrai Umbreon. And then we got Steam Siege. Stop with the Steam Siege. Here is your code card. Hope you enjoy that. Toss that to the side. Let's start with freaking Steam Siege. Why are you giving me more XY packs? I understand you have a backlog, but can you just burn the rest? Can you just burn them? Burp, burp, burp. There's your code card for Steam Siege if for some reason you want that. 1, 2, 3. There is no energy. Flip it around. Pass it around. We got ourselves a Clang. A captivating Pokepuff. Very captivating. We got a Skip Bloom. A Fletchling. Oshawott. He looks so cute in that picture. You know, Oshawott either looks adorable or hideous. There's no in between. I don't understand with Oshawott. That Sneasel looks playful, and it's actually going to slash your throat. We got C-Dot. We got Drifloon. The reverse is a Ponyard. And the rare is a Yanmega. Alright, Yanmega. How the mighty have fallen. Let's go into Unified Minds. Then we got 2 packs of Cosmic Eclipse. Alright. I have, I think, only 2 more Pokemon with their trainer cards to pull from Cosmic Eclipse after that box. So if we could finish that set out. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. I got scared because I thought I felt something really slick. Okay, there is your Steel Energy. We got ourselves Blues Tactics. We got Fracture. We got a Basculin, the blue one, not the red one. We got Slakoth, a Fungus, Honedge. We got a Magnemite, a Fletchling, the reverse, and then, oh, we got Naganadel. Naganadel, I'm sorry, not Necrozma. GX, that's why I felt something slick. Okay, my bad. Spoilers! Spoiler alert! So, that's a pull. That's a pull. That's not what I want from that set, but that's a pull. Okay? Alright. Let's start here. Let's do the Solgaleo and Lunala. Hopefully we get something cool out of this set. There is a code card that's upside down for no reason. The entire box I went through did not have them upside down. So, 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's grass, not leaf. Don't you dare say leaf. There we go. Togedemaru, what you doing, boy? We got Absol. We got a Flareon. A Jupiter. Helioptile, all shiny like. We got a Carvana. Tepig. Togedemaru. We got a reverse seal, and the rare is garbage because we already got spoiled. All right, last pack from this box. This is sorry, guys. Why are you going to change the way that the cards are placed in there so I spoil it? Why are you going to let there be different color code cards to tell you if it's a holo or not? I don't like that. I don't like that at all. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fighting, not rock. And it's definitely not ground. Not even close to ground. We got Celia. We got a draw energy. We got a Cosmoem. We got a Rookruff. A Deerling. We got a Teddy Ursa. A Golett. We got a Jupiter. The reverse is Fione. I didn't even pull that in the box. And the rare. Oh, look at that! Blastoise Piplup. All right. I also didn't pull that from the box, so that's really cool. Oh, that art is so good. I love that they're doing the tag teams like this. Piplup got so much love in this set because Piplup also got the Piplup and Dawn art that comes in the reverse slot. So that's very cool. All right. I'm not even mad. I'm impressed. So those are some... I mean, that wasn't the worst box that I've ever opened, right? Next up, this was chosen by Tim at GameStop. So shout out to Tim. He put some tins to the side for me once upon a time and accidentally gave me 3 Charizards and 1 Raichu and 2 Gyarados, and I wanted 2 of each. So in memory of the potential Charizard I lost. Here's another Charizard tin. Hidden Fates has not been kind to me lately. Here is your code card, if you can read that. Bloop. Code card done. Okay, bye Charizard. There's been so much Charizard love lately. I think we're getting saturated with Charizard cards. And we have 4 packs. All right, Hidden Fates. It's been a second. It has been a second. Please tell me you're ready to love me again. We're going to save Charizard for last. Let's do the birds first. Mew second, Mewtwo third. What do you guys think? How many shinies? Comment section down below. A, tell me what you think about that Eevee full art. And B, how many shinies? You ready? 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's grass. All right? It's grass. We got ourselves Lieutenant Surge's Strategy. We got Jinx. We got a Pokemon Center Lady. Ekans. Coughing. We got ourselves a Cubone. A Geodude. The reverse is behind this Slowpoke. And it's a Brock's Pewter City Gym. And the rare is Bill's Analysis. Okay, not a strong start. Mew, what you hiding? Look how mischievous he is. He's hiding something. He's got to be hiding something. I can feel it. Dude, my fingers are raw from opening packs. First world problems, am I right? There is your code card. Hope you enjoy that. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. This pack's gonna be fire! Alright. Pokemon Center Lady. What is he doing, Mom? He's so weird. Listen. Yeah, you're right. Pikachu. We got a Char. My cards won't stay stacked. We got ourselves a Voltorb. We got a Coughing. Is there one more before the reverse? I can barely tell. So, Ekans. The reverse. Oh, shiny Shuppet. I haven't pulled that. All right. And the rare is Blaine's Last Stand. Cool. So we did get a shiny. All right. Shuppet. I didn't even know that was an option. If we're being completely honest and transparent. Oh, yeah. That looks so good. I love the art for these because it's kind of outside of the normal style that they do. Oh, yes. Okay. Not a complete bust. Mewtwo. What you hiding, boy? What you hiding? There's still that Rayquaza box that I need to get and open with you guys. Because I said I was going to open a little bit of everything. Here's your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fairy. That means this pack is going to be very good. Do you like puns? I love them. Metapod. Sabrina's Suggestion. Charmeleon. Wartortle. No, Clefairy. Almost. Jigglypuff. We got a Caterpie. Eevee, the reverse, is behind the seconds. And it's a Chansey. And the rare. Oh, what? We got a full art Giovanni's Exile. Okay, I've pulled this one a couple times, but it's very cool nonetheless. Giovanni's Exile. This isn't a complete loss of a 10. We got 2 good pulls. We have one more. Oh, comment section. I need some love, please. Charizard. Listen, buddy. This is the Charizard pack from the Charizard 10. All right? That has to mean something. Okay. My fingers, totally numb from opening booster packs. Here is your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. Lightning. Just kidding, it's electric. All right. Before we get into this last pack, I just want to say thank you for the support. I hope you enjoy this content. You should leave a like on this video if you enjoy it and subscribe to the channel if you've not already. Sword and Shield is coming out in a couple days, and I'll be streaming from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Central Time on the 15th, November the 15th, 2019, when Sword and Shield comes out. So you should definitely hop into that. The Twitch information is down below. And without further ado, Misty's Determination, Scyther, Sabrina's Suggestion, Ekans. We got ourselves a Psyduck, a Staryu, Clefairy, Slowpoke. The reverse is Jolteon, and the rare is Erica's Hospitality. So, we got some cool stuff. By far, not my worst box. I got a shiny. I really like this, the Blastoise Piplup. That's pretty cool. There's our Charizard promo and the Naganadel that we pulled. Yeah, that's all I got for today. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Later.